Here is a wonderful 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety. The Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, premium sound system, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera, keyless start, fog lamps, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.